It's been a really seamless process, it's been great. Well, I think we've been really involved with BiGDUG since we were delighted to find out that we were one of BiGDUG's charities of choice. And as part of that relationship, we were offered a number of storage solutions. So we had a really lovely, insightful meeting at BiGDUG offices, and then lovely Adrian came out to site and had a look around to see kind of where our needs were and what was the best fit for each of the different areas. He went away and provided us with a plan that we then tweaked as the building developed. We're very lucky that it's a new building, so we're able to specify certain things from BiGDUG to fit into new spaces. And then the team came out to check that the plan would work once the building had been constructed. And then the delivery team brought everything onto site, and it's all been constructed and installed this morning. So it's been a really seamless process. It's been great.
This one's a little bit different from our general stuff. It's not an industrial request. It's from a wildlife trust, which is very different for us. So it was split into two areas. One was the outdoor ranger station, where a lot of dirty tools come in, where the guys have been out digging, dirty boots, some wet stuff, and office applications such as this. So in the two buildings, we looked at fitting our big 340 into the ranger station and big 200 into here, and that's the basic split of what we were asked to do.
So here we are in one of our little kind of secret squirrel understairs cupboards, and just really to show that we've managed to work with BiGDUG to fit out shelving even in spaces that are quite awkward and difficult to get to. So this will be super helpful to our team. So we've used BiGDUG shelving throughout the majority of our building. There isn't really a space that hasn't managed to utilise some form of shelving, and so just in meeting rooms, so that we've got space for those using the meeting spaces to put bags, and for us to keep kind of some of our IT and AV equipment on. Really helpful that we've got nice white tops to the shelves as well, so that they reflect the light and look a little bit less industrial than some of the ones we've used in the storage areas.
Customers will often tell us, I need storage. We supply a solution, but sometimes you can just go that extra mile by saying to the customer, you know, does it matter how it looks? And some will say no, and some will say yes. If they say yes, we would offer something like this. It's got white melamine, and it just looks clean and tidy and very office-like.
I'd absolutely recommend BiGDUG. It's been a seamless process from beginning to end. The items that have been delivered fit the space, they're fit for purpose, and actually the main thing is that BiGDUG have been lovely to deal with. Thank you.